I welcome us to this learning by WB Analytics. In this video, we will be learning how to create a property plant and equipment movement schedule from a given fixed asset register as part of disclosure requirements for financial reporting for a given entity. And in this learning, the items of PPE found in our fixed asset register will be the computer hardware, the furniture and fitting, the motor vehicle, office equipment, and the software. And the Excel formula we'll be using to perform this task is the sum ifs, which adds all numbers in a range of cells based on a single or multiple criteria. At this moment, I would like us to click on the subscribe and like button to get more notifications for more videos. Thank you. So this is our structure for the movement schedule, the cost section and the accumulated depreciation section, then the carrying amount section. So we can have more items like reclassification, write-offs, and revaluations. But for the purpose of this learning, we'll keep it as simple as this, just to display the additions for cost and the depreciation charge for our cum deep section. Then we can then calculate our carrying amounts for the year ended 2018 and for the year ended 2017. So this is our fixed assets register that comprise all our items of PPE. So the relevant columns we'll be using for our calculation is the class of PPE, which is column C, column D, the date of purchase, column G, the cost, column K, the charge for the year, and column L, the opening accumulated depreciation. All right. Knowing all this, let's go and populate our movement schedule using the sum ifs function. So to bring in the costs brought forward as at 1st of October 2017, we say equals to sum ifs. So we are picking from the cost now. Sum of the costs. Sum the cost for us if the class of PPE, select the column, contains the item of we're looking for, which is the computer hardware. And if that is, come back to select the date of purchase. If the date of purchase, comma, is now less than the 1st of October 2017, which is, open my quotation to do that, I say less than 1st of October 2017. Okay, so these are the costs for computer hardware before 1st of October 2017. I will say equals to, for furniture and fitting, sum ifs, the costs contains, if the cost in the class of PP contains the item you're looking for, which is furniture and fittings, and if, that is, if the date of purchase now contains date that is less than 1st of October 2017, open my quotation, less than 1st October 17, close my quotation, close my brackets, press the enter key. So there's no costs brought forward for furniture and fittings. Do for motor vehicle, sum ifs, come to office asset register, select the cost column G, comma, sum of the cost column, if the class of PP selected, comma, the item you're looking for, motor vehicle, comma, and if the purchase date, go back to fixed asset register, select the purchase date, comma, it's less than 1st of October 2017. Open my quotation, less than 1st October 2017. Close my brackets, press enter key. So I'll do the same for office equipment and software. Sum ifs, the costs, if the class of PP, comma, contains office equipment, comma, and the date of purchase, comma, it's less than 1st of October 2017. Close my quotes, close my brackets. Then lastly for software, cost of sum ifs, the cost, comma, if the class of PP contains software, comma, and the date of purchase, that's I have to select date of purchase now, is less than 1st October 2017. All right, here's our total. Is the summation of the total. So we now have to add the additions to the items of PP during the year. So we start with computer hardware. So this time we're not adding for items that we bought above 1st of October 2017, with 1st of October 2017 inclusive. So equals to sum ifs the cost, comma, use a class of item, comma, contains this, and if the purchase date, go back to select the purchase date, is now greater than. So we'll now choose the greater than equal to 1st of October 2017. Close my quotes, close my brackets. Okay, press the enter key. So we've summed up the addition for computer hardware. 1.5 million was bought during the year. We do likewise for the other classes equals to sum if cost of if the class of PP, comma, contain this, and if the purchase date is greater than equal to 1st of October 2017. Close my bracket. Equals to sum ifs the cost class of PPE, comma, contains this, comma, and the purchase date is now greater than equal to 1st of October 2017. Equals to sum ifs the costs, comma, class of PP, comma, select this, then the purchase date, class of PP purchase dates is now greater than equal to 1st of October /17. Close my bracket. Equals to sum ifs costs, comma, in the class of PP, comma, contains software, comma, and the date of purchase, comma, is greater than equal to 1st of October 2017. So we've successfully populated our cost section to include the balance brought forward and the addition during the year. So this is our closing balance of cost as at 30th September 2018. So we're going to populate our accum-dip using a single criteria of the sum ifs function. To do that, we say equal to sum ifs. So this time we're selecting from the accum-dip, comma, opening accum-dip. If you open accum-dip in this class of PP, comma, contains computer hardware. So that's it. We close our brackets to give us the opening accum-dip. All right. So we'll do for others equals to sum ifs accum-dip, comma, class of PP, comma, contains the next item, and okay, close our bracket. So there's nothing for this equals to sum ifs the accum-dip, comma, in our class of PP, comma, contains this, close our bracket. Nothing as well equals to sum ifs opening accum-dip, comma, in the class of PP, comma, contains office equipment. Nothing as well, then equals to sum ifs opening dip, in our class of PP contains software, close our bracket. So in all, we only have accum dip for computer hardware because there was no opening cost as well for other classes of PP. So we'll now bring in the charge for the year. We say equals to sum ifs, the same way we did for the accum dip brought forward. We also do the same for charge for the year, sum ifs. So this time we're now selecting the depreciation charge for the year, which is on column K. Select column K, the sum column K for us. If the class of PPE, comma, contains computer hardware, close my bracket. So we have for 43,000. Furniture and fitting equals to sum ifs. If the depreciation charge for the year, comma, in the class of PPE, comma, contains furniture and fittings, close my bracket, press enter key. Then for motor vehicle equals to sum ifs, charge for the year, column K, comma, column C, class of PPE, comma, then the item you're looking for, motor vehicle, close my bracket, press the enter key, 2.9 million, depreciation charge for motor vehicle, equals to sum ifs, comma, if the charge for the year, comma, in the class of PPE, comma, contains what we're looking for, which is in this case is office equipment, press enter key, and equal to sum ifs, fixed asset registered, which is charge for the year, comma, class of PPE, comma, and the software, which is what we're looking for. Close my brackets. All right, so we've successfully populated our movement schedule to calculate for us the individual carrying amount of the class of PP and the total carrying amount, which happens to be 21 million in our net book value. So this 21 million we disclosed in the statement of financial position for the given entity. So this is a chart that just shows how the net book, the cost is compared to the net book value. So when the cost represents the bars and the net book value represents the line. So when the net book value is approaching zero, which means it's being fully utilized, the curve tends to flatten. For example, I change this 18 million to say 100 or 1,000 as the net book value remaining after depreciation have been charged over the life of the assets. The curve will flatten, say 1,000. So this is the motor vehicle bar. When I press the enter key, it flattens, means that it's almost fully utilized. Okay. So that's how we can monitor it. So the beauty about this schedule is that the way we've populated it using the sumifs function from the fixed asset register is that whenever you add any item to your fixed asset register, the movement schedule will update automatically. All right. So I thank you for your time. And if you have learned a thing or two from this video, kindly click on the subscribe and like button to get notifications for more videos. Thank you once again.